From the East Tennessee Weather Center, here's your morning weather update with meteorologist Mike Witcher.
And good morning. Happy Thursday, everybody. Here we go. The cold air has settled its way on in. It's chilly this morning, and it's going to stay rather chilly throughout the day today. Now, grab the sunglasses. You'll need those, but we are talking about changes moving back in overnight tonight and through our Friday. Cold, and yes, a chance for some snow. I'm going to walk you through all those details right now. Let's start you off first things first with the almanac from yesterday. Why? Because it tells a story. We actually had official high temperatures in the 60s and 70s, and it occurred right around noon yesterday afternoon, and then temperatures dropped into the 40s and the 50s. And they've continued to drop during the overnight hours. We're now in the 30s and 40s. Well, we start the morning off with 30s and 40s through the day. Now, we do have clear skies around the area, but the clouds will begin to increase as we get into about the lunch hour or so. You'll start to notice some low-level clouds starting to swing their way on into the area. That's a sign of the changing weather pattern. As we get into the 3 o'clock hour, again, partly cloudy skies, windy conditions. It's going to be rather gusty, but dry conditions. Then as we get in closer to about 7, 8, 9, 10 o'clock tonight, here comes some snow. The snow field is going to be in Kentucky, and it's going to start to race our way. But the best timing is tonight through the day on Friday. Now today, again, just like yesterday, the wind is going to be blowing anywhere from 20, 25, 30 mile per hour wind gusts at times. Forecast high temperatures will be in the 40s and 50s, but because the wind's going to be blowing, we're talking about wind chill values today in the 30s and 40s. So it's definitely going to be a raw January-like day, and then those wind chill values are going to be with us early Friday morning as well. So into the evening hours we go, 40 degrees by 6, 39 degrees by 8 o'clock here tonight. Let's finish our future cast. Overnight tonight, here comes the snow belt. It's going to start to race its way into the area. It's going to fill in for some of us, okay? But let's keep in mind, A, it's been warm, so the ground temperatures are warm. B, we're not looking at a lot of snow. C, I don't think the valley locations will get much activity. The higher elevations will likely get the majority of it. So let's talk snowfall totals, shall we? As we pick up our timeline on our future cast for snowfall. After low temperatures tonight drop down into the 30s, we'll continue to see, I should say on Friday, mostly cloudy skies. But we're still going to ring out some light snow showers across the mountain counties. So right along the highest peaks of the Smokies, a strong northwesterly flow. We get that orographic lift. And so even though it's not showing up on the model, we're still going to ring out the atmosphere with some snow showers developing through the day on Friday. And we are going to stay mostly cloudy. All right, now let's talk snowfall totals around the area. Because, again, I don't think we're going to see a ton here in the valley. We're going to see it fill in overnight tonight into tomorrow morning, and likely not to get a whole lot more, but a little bit more activity throughout the day on Friday. So we're talking less than an inch of snow across the Cumberland Plateau, flurries in the valley, less than an inch upper East Tennessee Valley locations. Higher elevations are going to see a lot more than that. So let's go into the higher elevations all the way from Mount LeConte, Newfound Gap to Clingman's Dome. 441 over the Smokies will be closed. Guaranteed, as they're looking at anywhere from 2 to 3, upwards of 3 to 5 inches. Get a little bit lower in elevation. We're talking about 1 to 3 inches possible in the foothills, above basically 2,500 to 3,000 feet. Upper East Tennessee could see some flurries right around Morristown, Jefferson City, Rogersville, maybe less than an inch right along the Tennessee-Kentucky border in Upper East Tennessee. So, but again, when we say less than an inch, it's going to be grassy areas, rooftops, cars. The roads will not be impacted by the snow. And if you travel Highway 75, also 27 or 127, less than an inch of snow expected across the Cumberland Plateau, maybe a dusting over into Cumberland County. That, again, should be about the extent of it. So the National Weather Service does have a winter weather advisory for the mountains of East Tennessee. Goes into effect at 7 o'clock tonight, runs through 10 o'clock on Friday morning. So we'll keep those precipitation chances elevated tonight, fade away tomorrow. We're rain-free and sunny with warmer weather Saturday and Sunday. And then another couple of waves of energy may bring us a little bit of light rain as we get into next week. This is the evolution of the storm system itself. A lot of wind is going to be around the region. Here comes that low digging its way out of the north. Overnight tonight, it spreads the snow showers across the Appalachian region. And by tomorrow, it's going to be a thing of the past. A little clipper system that's going to be racing its way on through, but bringing us some much needed snow. And the heaviest snow is going to be across the northern Appalachian Mountains up near Snowshoe, West Virginia. So skiers and snowboarders, rejoice. Here's your temperature trend. While we'll stay in the 40s for the next couple of days, wind chill values will be in the 30s. We'll actually climb back to the 60s as we get through the weekend and the start of next week. Dew points will gradually climb as well. That means that we are going to start to see more rain chances as we head into next week. But it also means that our morning lows will come up but chilly couple of mornings ahead of us for sure. So make sure you stay on top of the changing weather pattern, the snowfall, the morning commute as we wake up on Friday morning. And you can do so easily with the East Tennessee Weather app. You can watch Wake Up with Witcher, which starts off at 7 o'clock in the morning, Monday through Friday. All your daily forecast weather updates, 1 minute with Witcher. You name it, you get it with the East Tennessee Weather app. And if you happen to be counting down, just a few more days till Thanksgiving, 7 days away. Black Friday is 8 days away. Christmas, 35. And New Year's Day, just a whopping 40 days away. Can you believe that? All right, happy Thursday, everybody. Have a great day. Sunshine, chilly, and windy throughout the day today. Snow showers increase overnight tonight.